Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome again to the next part of chapter 1. I'm Shweta Somra. I will be teaching you English of class 6th. In our previous class, as you all remember, we read about the boy named Patrick. He was very notorious. He did not like doing his homework. Always he used to play games like basketball, football, hockey, Nintendo, all sorts of video games. Right? So, he was very notorious and he every time wanted to escape doing homework. So, now we read in last class that there was a tiny sized man, elf, which helped him doing his homework. There was a condition like he was grabbed by the cat. एक कैट ने उसको पकड़ लिया था पैट्रिक की, तो उसको लाइफ सेव करने के लिए पैट्रिक को उसने विश ग्रांट की कि मेरे को आप कैट से बचाओगे तो मैं आपकी एक हेल्प कर सकता हूँ, आपकी कोई भी इच्छा पूरी कर सकता हूँ. सो दैट हैपेंड एंड Patrick was very happy because he got someone who could do his homework now, and on this condition he kept the elf away from the cat. He saved his life and elf started helping him with the homework. Now we will start with the next part. What happened next? आप सोच सकते हो क्या हुआ होगा बाद में? Do you think कि हमें भी एक ऐसा elf मिल जाए हमारी लाइफ में जो हमारे सारे काम कर दे? Do you think that? It's not possible and you should not do that, okay? Everyone should do our work on our own. That is the best thing in the world, okay? We should not be dependent on anyone. So, we'll start with the next part. The name is Who Did Patrick's Homework? Part 2 and shrieked. Shriek means gave a short, high-pitched cry. छोटा सा लेकिन बहुत ऊंची आवाज में जोर से चिल्लाया रोते हुए, shrieked. और ये किसने किया था? Elf ने. Elf did that. Okay. Why did it happen? We'll just read it. When it came to maths, now in our last class you remember we were talking about the English because he was not able to write the words and he was finding out the dictionaries. So in last class we talked about English subject which the elf was doing, and now he is doing the maths part. So when it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. Maths तो पैट्रिक को भी नहीं आती थी और elf को भी कुछ नहीं आता था. He said, what are timetables? Exactly ये हैं क्या? I don't know, I've never heard about these things. We elves never need that. हमें कभी इनकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. हम elves को कभी इनकी ज़रूरत पड़ी ही नहीं. ये है क्या? How to do? And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. So you all know these are the part of mathematics, right? Addition, subtraction, divisions and fraction. These are the parts of mathematics. So how typical it would have been for elf. Imagine. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. मेरे पास बैठो और मेरे को पूरा गाइड करो. Completely guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them it's a mystery. Now, उसने दूसरे subject की बात की. He talked about another subject which was human history. Elf को वो भी नहीं आती थी. It was very typical for him to do that homework as well. So he asked Patrick to sit beside him and explain each and everything to him so that he could do the homework. It was a mystery. It was mystery for whom? मिस्ट्री किसके लिए थी? एल्फ्स के लिए थी. अजीब सी बात थी. कैन यू ऑल्सो इमेजिन डूइंग समथिंग इन योर लाइफ विच यू हैव नेवर डन? नो, इट्स वेरी 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 टफ इवन टू इमेजिन. कुछ ऐसा काम जो आपने कभी किया ही नहीं हो लाइफ में, जिसके बारे में आप कभी जानते ही नहीं हो. सो थिंक हाउ डिफ़िकल्ट इट वुड हैव बीन फॉर द एल्फ. उसने विश तो ग्रांट कर दी लेकिन उसकी कंडीशन क्या थी? यू कैन इमेजिन. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library, I need books. More and more books and you can help me read them too. उसने ज़ोर से shout किया पैट्रिक पे और कहा फटाफट जाओ. Go to the library, get me the books. I have to read the books. और उसमें से मुझे सारा तुम explain करो. सारी चीज़ें मुझे पता होनी चाहिए. Now, nag. What do you mean by nag? Let me tell you, you also sometimes become a nag for your mother. How? कभी कभी आप मम्मा की बात नहीं मानते, you disobey your mother, right? नाक में दम करते हैं ना मम्मा को, करते ना? That was elf in the chapter. पैट्रिक की नाक में दम कर दिया था. कैसे? होमवर्क के लिए, क्योंकि उसको कुछ आता ही नहीं था. Every point of time he was asking कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, please help me out, please help me. So he was a nag. Now what a nag is? One who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking them to do something. टीवी देखना है, टीवी देखना है, टीवी देखना है, मम्मा प्लीज मम्मा देखने दो. दिस इज व्हाट यू डू, राइट? तो ये होता है नैग, नाक में दम करना. ओके, सो द एल्फ वाज डूइंग दिस टू पैट्रिक. अनदर वर्ड इज ड्रैग. इट्स एन इनफॉर्मल वर्ड, समथिंग डल एंड अनइंटरेस्टिंग. कोई चीज़ जो आपको अच्छी नहीं लगती हो, जबरदस्ती करना पड़ रहा हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड ड्रैग. सो as a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was a nag. सच तो ये था कि जो elf था वो nag हो गया था उसके लिए, पैट्रिक के लिए. he had become a nag for Patrick. नाक में दम, और you can say a problem also. Patrick was working harder than ever and was it a drag. पैट्रिक बहुत काम कर रहा था, बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहा था, जो वो कभी नहीं करता था. he never did anything of this sort, but he was doing it unwillingly. वो अपनी इच्छा से ये नहीं कर रहा था. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. He was a boy who never did his homework. But now, to help Elf doing his own homework, what Patrick is doing is, he is staying up nights. What do you mean by staying up nights? रात भर जागता था. पैट्रिक रात भर जागकर काम करता था. Had never felt so weary. कभी इतना tired, weary कभी feel नहीं हुआ उसको. He was going to the school with his eyes puffed. सूजी हुई आंखों से वो स्कूल जाता था. Imagine, आप लोग कभी ऐसा होता है आप लोगों के साथ भी, और your parents as well. जैसे आप लोग कोई रात में कहीं बाहर गए हैं, यू हैव ट्रैवल्ड और यू वर नॉट स्लेप्ट फॉर द होल नाइट लास्ट, सो नेक्स्ट डे योर आईज आर पफ्ड. उस दिन सूजी रहती है ना आंखें. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट पफ्ड आईज इज अबाउट. ओके, सो पैट्रिक के साथ ऐसा ही हुआ, उसकी आंखें पफ्ड रहती थी जब वो स्कूल जाता था. नेक्स्ट, स्लाइली. नाउ दिस इज अ वर्ड. स्लाइली मीन्स सिक्रेटिवली, चुपचाप, बिना किसी को पता लगे. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. Last day of the school means जो 35 days semester का complete हो रहा था, we are talking about that. Now elf was happy because he was leaving now. वो free था, उसका homework का काम हो गया था पूरा, और elf बहुत खुश था because he was going back home. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. चुपचाप से धीरे धीरे बिना किसी को पता लगे वो पीछे वाले दरवाजे से निकल गया. कौन निकल गया? एल्फ निकल गया. Now we'll see. Kid, you all know. Kid, what do you mean by kid? A child, okay? And then chores. What is it? Chores means work that must be done every day, often boring. Chores are the daily routine works जो आपको करने होते हैं, but there is no interest in that. ठीक है? Like cleaning your bed, making your bed, cleaning your room, okay? And dusting and brooming and mopping, all sorts of things. Or taking bathing, or anything which you do daily, but that is not interesting for you at all, but you have to do it. That is called chores. Cleaned his room. Now we'll start with a part. Okay, one more word is there. Attitude. What do you mean by attitude? A feeling about someone or something. किसी के लिए आप किस तरह से feel करते हो, that is attitude. So Patrick got his A's. Now he got very good grades. He got A grades in his school in the semester. His classmates were amazed, and his classmates were like, "Whoa, how did it happen? Patrick, is it you?" His teachers smiled and were full of praise. His teachers smiled at him and they praised Patrick for getting such good grades because they were not expecting, उनको आशा ही नहीं थी कि पैट्रिक ऐसा कुछ करेगा. And his parents, और उसके पेरेंट्स के लिए भी वो बहुत खुश थे. They wondered what had happened to Patrick. वो आश्चर्यचकित थे. They were like, हो क्या गया पैट्रिक को? But whatever happened was very good. He was now the model kid. Model kid matlab, like you must have heard about the word role model. Have you heard? Role model. हम कहते हैं ना हमारा कोई ideal person है, like स्वामी विवेकानंद और झांसी की रानी, और like गर्ल्स के लिए अपन सोचते हैं झांसी की रानी है उनकी मॉडल, they want to be as their role models. So he was a model kid in the school. Model kid means ऐसा kid जिसको सब फॉलो करना चाहें अपनी लाइफ में. अच्छा, अच्छे से रहना, अच्छे से पहनना, अच्छे से बात करना, अपने घर में अच्छे से रहना और पूरा वर्क टाइम पे करना, गेटिंग गुड ग्रेड्स, all the things combined to make him a model kid in the school. Cleaned his room. Who cleaned his room? Patrick cleaned his room. So Patrick changed. Okay, so this was the change in Patrick which we are talking about in these lines. Cleaned his rooms. See, in the beginning Patrick was a different kind of a boy. Now at the end of the chapter we can see the change in him. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, खुश था. Cheerful means खुश रहता था. Never rude, किसी से भी rude या गुस्से में या गलत तरीके से बात नहीं करता था. He like he had developed a whole new attitude. जैसा कि उसका एक नया ही attitude सामने आ गया हो सबके. It was like that. Okay? You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. बोलो, do you think कि पैट्रिक ने उस आदमी से सारा काम करवा लिया था अपना? लगता है आपको ऐसा? Okay, let's check it. But I share a secret just between you and me. एक secret है आपके और मेरे बीच में. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Elf ने नहीं किया. किसने किया? Patrick ने खुद ही अपना homework किया. So this is the last line of the chapter कि Patrick ने elf की help तो ली थी, but सारा homework किया Patrick ने ही था because elf did not know how to do and what to do. So this is all about the chapter. I hope you all understood the chapter. Did you all understood it? Okay. So write the meanings in the class in your notebooks. Each and every meaning. Learn it properly and join the next class. Okay, we'll discuss the question answers of the chapter as well as the grammar part. Okay, take care. Bye bye. We'll end up here.